You cut it? It's all right, they'll get it. What are you doing, Paul? Paul, really? Really? Wow. I believe you did that. It's hanging, Paul. You got to cut down. They got it, Paul.
Because we took it for it, we trashed.
Yeah.
You gotta lay down, face down.
Face down?
Yeah.
Forward.
Yeah, right. Coming at you, dude.
It's the first two. No waste of time. I'm done with this. Until I get my rake.
You had TV on there.
I did?
Yeah.
Thought it came off.
Nope.
The fuck?
The one I did. That one didn't.
Well, damn, Paul. You didn't tell me until I stopped.
I ain't hit you.
Huh. That's funny.
I'm trying to breathe. Sun's got me all messed up today, dude.
Really?
I can't breathe. Can't breathe out.
Yeah, I hate that.
There's 5 tires through in there.
Yep. I'll do that too. Yeah. I'll be able to scrape it. I'll move my trailers and everything.
Yeah, no doubt. says 5 tires there.
Don't ask me. Unless you're a car dealer, then you have to sign a thing.
Oh, I got you.
Huh? No. I thought they'd just grab it by the end, drag it down the hill. Right in the front.
What?
That's what I thought they were gonna do.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've done.
1, 2, 3, 4, one more. Sweet.
Yeah, fucking big one. You got it.
That stuff's gonna blow out of them baskets. So, you making a run to the dump? All right. On your way back, we need to go by Jennifer's house. They got a scrap load for us.
Oh yeah?
You could probably just grab it. I'll call Jen, tell her you're coming by to grab it. It's a bicycle or two, some ceiling lights, all light stuff.
Right.
But on your way back from the landfill, stop at Jennifer's house. It's all right there in front of her garage or in the middle of her garage, stacked up.
Yeah.
But let's get this stuff till it blow off. Let me get you some money. Yep.
Put that down right down.
Yeah, you're gonna have to lay down probably everything so it don't move. Should've. Yep.
his cement guy's number, if you want to, because I told him what for. They're coming to dig March 14th.
Okay.
It's coming in the 15th
15. Okay.
of March. So that's
So I'll have all that dirt then.
2 months. And I said, yeah, my husband doesn't think you might not have that. He goes, oh, let me tell you something. He says, you're going to have plenty of dirt. You're
Okay.
gonna have a lot of dirt.
Okay, good.
A lot. And he kept saying that, a lot. Look, this guy he gave me is Milacar, and it's Maya's Concrete, Wilmington.
Okay.
He says he does all his work, and he does a beautiful job. So, I don't know.
I just sneeze. I'll call him. We'll call him tonight, later.
Okay. Bless you.
I'm just trying to straighten up the yard again.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. You can throw those plastic lids away.
Okay.
And that, not the cord, but you know, but.
No. The cord's what I use out here all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking better.
It is.
I need to get, when Paul gets back, I'm gonna get them things out back. No, when he gets back, yeah, them things, motors.
Yeah.
Bring 'em out back.
That's nuts.
The metal in the trailer expanding.
Really?
Yeah. The sun's hitting it, so it's expanding.
Yeah, the trees we got down were these two, those two.
The what?
The trees we got permission years ago.
Oh yeah, I know. I know. All of them. Them 1, 2, 3, 4, all back through there, babe.
Yeah, we did. I'm so glad we got this property.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm so glad I pushed.
Paul's back. Here's the sound of my truck. Paul is back. Back in Jack. These generally aluminum legs, brass. Generally. Oh, I hate to think I gotta pick this monster up. Paul is back. He went to the dump. Got rid of some more tires. I'm gonna put these right here with my motors. Pretty much think I got about the same thing. Motors. More motors. Getting rid. He got rid of 5 TVs today. Gone. Silver ain't never said he's gonna come pick them up. I got 20 of them. They got to go. Can't take them apart, or I have no place to bring them except for pay at the landfill.
Good news, bad news.
What's boy?
Huh?
What?
You want good news, bad news?
I don't really care.
Bad news, you gotta put gas in the truck.
Okay.
Good news, they ain't charging you nothing at the dump.
Why?
Because it's plastic.
What's plastic?
All that plastic out the way.
Oh, really? Yeah. They don't charge for plastic?
He didn't. I thought myself, I had about 4 garbage cans of plastic thing. The kid ran to dump it.
Well, dump it where?
I know where the tires go.
You don't in the trash bin?
No, not in the building. I know where the tires
No,
go.
in the trash bin back there.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Alright, so Paul went out to the landfill and dropped off some stuff. Came back with some new stuff. Well, it's not new, but it don't look old.
No.
That looks like a good bike.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I mean, why would you give something like that? Get rid of something like that. That's not a Walmart dumpster. We need to go to Walmart. I haven't been there.
Well, we need to go down.
Let's go right now. Let's go to Walmart. Look at that bike. Oh my God, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh my God, huh? That is amazing, dude. Look at that.
There's the way off the water.
Oh my
Ring the bell.
God. Oh my
Yeah, I got a bell.
gosh. Paul brings me back another bicycle. You are the man, Paul. Bicycle, some light fixtures, a few ballasts, a little heater. Does it work?
You've got a little scooter.
Man, kidding me, a scooter?
Yeah, man.
Why'd somebody give away a scooter? It works. Hold on, it's missing a bolt right there.
That ain't no biggie.
No, you ride it. Show me how to do it.
I don't think so.
I ain't riding.
I'll pass.
I gotta find a kid that needs a bike, dude. Huh?
About 15 of them.
Yeah, 15. Yeah, we need to find 15 kids that need bicycles. How cool would that be, Paul? We need a tire over here already, dude. The tires done wore off of this thing.
Huh?
The back tires done wore slam off.
You replaced that one.
I didn't?
No. That's the only one you replaced it.
Man, I've replaced a bunch of tires on this thing. Yeah, I wanted to go by Walmart last night.
What do you?
I was by myself. And all right, look at that ball of sunshine up there, everybody. And it's daggone January the 11th. Down here with left-handed Paul. Scrapping with Grandpa. It's a big old dog. Doing our regular run through. I think it's about time. It's been a few days since we've been here, so let's see what's somewhere around there. What, Paul? Well, there's too much action going on, Paul.
Yeah, thank you.
But that's a lot of metal. We'll come back. I'll come back here tonight.
Yeah. That's a lot of metal.
I'll come back here tonight, or when that door's not open right there. Security, it says. That's a lot of metal, Paul. That's a trailer full. Man, I might get some shelving out of that.
Yeah, right.
Came a long ways. Now that stuff there, we can definitely bring that stuff in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's put that in the trailer. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah, since it still works.
Yeah, I can't start it. I can't start that stinking thing.
If I knew how to work one, I'll be alright.
Cuts like butter though, don't it? Yeah, you could use a couple lessons, Paul, but you did pretty good.
Hey.
Couple lessons. I know. I'm getting ready to get. Don't put that away. Hide that. God, Paul,
I don't know why you doing it.
giving all my secrets away.
It's everywhere.
I still haven't went back and looked for that video. I'm like, hell with it. Ain't nobody else said anything. Nobody else said anything, so I'm not gonna say anything. Is what it is.
Oh, we in that county.
Yep, Redneck County, baby. I know, man. What a bike, man. That's my son-in-law. That was my granddaughter's bike, Olivia,
Yeah.
and she got the seat up about as far as it would go anymore, and so she got a bigger bike for Christmas. He gave me his bike too. Where's it at?
Didn't get it.
No, not this time. Last time I went, he gave me his bike. Oh, I gave it to David down the street.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Gave it away. He needed some transportation. So, well, there's a bike here you can have. Look at this bucket I got, Paul. And it's just, I could probably make 2 or 3 of these buckets.
Yep. Nozzles and stuff.
Copper, look, copper, brass.
Oh yeah.
And,
find more pipe boots.
oh, there's a lot more. I've got a few more than that too, I've seen.
Yeah, they be running around there, boy.
But, boy, that pile is so much smaller.
Yeah.
Won't take much to bring that all this way and start
1,
me a
2,
building.
3, 4 more air conditioners to apart.
Yeah. Air conditioner?
Yeah, 4 more.
What? 1? What's the other one?
Way down, upside down, look there.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
You got
too.
5. Got one in front of the other box, too.
Oh, that's right. 1, 2, 3.
2 more back there.
That's right.
I got 5 total.
5 air conditioners. And some radiators right here. And I put the ends in the trailer. Man, it's starting to look good around Drew's.
Yeah. And they do take flat screen TVs too.
That is so great. I hate them things. I'm getting rid of my TVs, everybody. How many did you get rid of today?
5.
5 TVs.
We take all we want.
Yeah, take all the TVs we want. They take them for free. But they won't take that stinking glass. And I'm not going to pay to get rid of this heavy glass. This is the heaviest part of it, is the glass. The only thing you really get on the TV is this. And remember, this and this goes around the back of the TV. Now these are solid. Not solid, but this is copper.
That's computer.
That's a computer monitor. But you get the same thing with the TV screen. You get this and then computer wire. I mean, wire like that.
Like you got all your parts together.
I know.
Huh? You had them strung out everywhere. Everywhere the other day.
I know it.
Parts everywhere.
I know it. So I can even probably cut my cords on them things. They won't care, will they?
No, they care.
They do.
They ask about that.
They want the cords. They want everything. Greedy sons of biscuits. But yeah, on a TV, it's basically this. You got some wire in there, miscellaneous junk wire. You might get $1.10 a pound for it.
Yeah.
And you got this core here that sometimes it's aluminum, sometimes it's copper. But both of these on a TV, and every TV has generally one, sometimes two, copper coils that run around.
Mm-hmm.
If you cut that, it's some pretty copper. But the problem is getting that tape off there, you can forget about it. So you're going to get the lowest grade copper prices you're going to get because of all that tape.